Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing great. I welcome you all in another interesting art and craft video. So let's see what interesting I'm going to draw in today's video. Let's first proceed with this drawing. Here I'm going to draw a snowman like this, which is wearing a muffler. Now let's draw its hands, and this is done. Now let's proceed with another drawing. Here I'm going to draw a dolphin which is enjoying in water. Now let's draw its fins like this and these water bubbles. Now it is time to color this dolphin using blue color. Now let's proceed with this drawing. Here I'm going to draw a frog with a big smile on its face. I'm drawing its face and now the lower body like this. I have to now color this frog using green color like this. See how beautiful it is looking? Now let's proceed with another drawing. Here I'm going to draw a crocodile. So let's draw its eyes. And now it is time to color this crocodile using green color like this. Now it is time to draw something else. Let's see what I'm going to draw this time. So here I have drawn an elephant. Now let's color this elephant using blue color. See how simple and easy it is to draw anything. All you need a white color paper and a pencil or a marker pen. So here I have drawn this sheep, Baba. Now let's color this sheep like this and it is done. Now let's proceed with another drawing. Do you have any idea what I'm going to draw this time? Well, all the kids love this a lot. Yes, here I'm going to draw a unicorn. Now let's color this beautiful, colorful unicorn which is spreading love among kids. Now let's draw something else. So here I'm going to draw princess which is wearing a beautiful dress. Now I have drawn its face and now I'm going to draw its hands like this. Another one. Now let's draw its beautiful dress and its hair. She's wearing a beautiful bow like this. And see, beautiful princess is ready. Now let's proceed with another drawing. Here I'm going to draw a cat. Do you know how does a cat make sound? Meow, meow. And a cat loves milk. So here I have drawn a cat which loves milk. Okay, so now let's color this cat using orange and yellow color. Now let's proceed with another drawing. Here I'm going to draw a bunny which is holding a heart in his hand. So now let's draw and color this bunny wonderful. Now let's see what I'm going to draw this time. So here I'm going to draw a fish. Now let's draw its fins like this. And now the scales on its body. Now it is time to color this fish wonderful.